Hey, everybody, it's Dr. Brian, and I am so excited today to welcome you and introduce my colleague and friend, Chris Manderino, founder and creator of LYFEfuel. I met him at the Obesity Help Conference just about 3 weeks ago. And as a weight loss patient myself and someone who has kept 180 pounds off for 7 years, I'm always on the lookout for fueling or nutrition. And I tried his bar at the conference and was blown away. Tastes great, filling, helps with digestion. Even if you're not a weight loss surgery client and you want to lose weight and want to have fuel, this is the bar for you. And we're going to have a special offer for you, which we'll tell you about in a minute. But let me introduce Chris and let him talk. So thank you for joining me, Chris. And I really appreciate your help on this project and workshop we're going to do. And I'll let you take it away from there.
Yeah, first off, so happy to be here. Thanks for having me on and excited to support you in the community. Um, as you alluded to, founder, creator at LYFEfuel. Let me just speak to kind of that mission and journey, and hopefully there's some resonance with everybody listening in. So my personal journey was a different one. I had typically struggled to gain weight for quite some time as a professional, collegiate, and then professional athlete. So I can understand some of the challenges on the other side. And then post football transition, I too wanted to lose a lot of that playing weight that I had packed on. I had ballooned up to 240 plus pounds to be able to play fullback in the NFL. And even at that weight, playing at a very high level, competing at elite level of professional sports, I remember looking in the mirror and not being totally confident and happy with the way I looked. I was definitely carrying excess body fat that, I felt I wanted to shed. And so I really took a more focused approach to diet, nutrition, post-football career. And when I made that shift, that's when I saw my body completely start to transform. And it wasn't that I really changed a whole lot in my training. I was still training at a pretty high level, even, post football, but it was, focusing on the quality of the nutrients, where the food was coming from, and just really coming to understand how much goes into our food that we really should try to avoid or eliminate. And I think also living abroad in Italy and having the chance to do that on multiple occasions now, there's just so many things there that they don't allow in the food system, a totally different approach to nutrition. And it's that combined personal and professional experience that I've kind of wrapped into LYFEfuel. And even having the opportunity to work with another nutrition company that maybe many people listening are familiar with, Bariatric Advantage, I saw some of the unique challenges and struggles of getting your daily nutrient needs met, making sure you're getting adequate amounts of protein, and doing that through clean nutritional solutions. And so that's really kind of the foundational elements that we built our business around.
Boy, you hit it right on the head, Chris. Fueling our bodies to maintain a healthy weight or just having something to eat that's not full of artificial ingredients that can give us energy really will help our mindset, help us deal with daily stressors and just move forward. And again, I want to just let people know, I try a lot of products, meet a lot of people. It was so great meeting Chris. And when you find someone who's genuine, knows what they're doing in nutrition, and Chris mentioned former NFL player, so competing at a very high level, dealing with that level of competition, stress, life forces, and then leaving that world and jumping into a different world and still maintaining a really healthy body and mindset is really important. So where I'm coming at it, I'm sure many of you are going, well, Brian, you don't look like a former NFL player, and you're right. I am a PhD in psychology, and I'm a one-time winner in competition and a one-time loser. I had lap band weight loss surgery, lost the weight, and I don't do anything halfway. I gained it back and more. And I've now kept 180 pounds off for 7 years. So we'd like to invite everybody watching this, just click the button below. You'll see some bullet points. We're doing a free workshop Saturday, November 4th at 8:30 Pacific. Saturday, November 4th at 8:30 Pacific. It's about 7 steps you can take with mental fitness and positive intelligence to reduce and eliminate those emotional saboteurs. Because I'm sure right now some of you are going, oh, I'm not an athlete. I don't need that fuel. Oh, I don't need another healthy bar. I don't want to try anything. That's your judge. And the judge doesn't want you to try anything new or for you to get out of that stuckness. And so Chris and I want to help you do that. And we're going to take those steps in this workshop. So register below. It's free, November 4th, Saturday at 7:30. And again, Chris, I'm so excited, one, to help people with the emotional issues, but also be able to offer them a product that one of the few times I've gone to a conference, tried something, and just fallen in love with. I mean, I have a bar a day. In fact, I'm going to get your website link so I can order another package because we are out. So
Okay. Refuel.
anyway, thank you everybody for your time. Chris, is there anything you want to add before we sign off?
Yeah, just really excited to support the community. Beyond what we do at LYFEfuel around the physical products, we're really we strive to be a transformational company first, and we understand that everybody's at different points in their health journey, and it doesn't really matter where you're at. The important thing is that you're dedicating time and you're interested in change. And so just putting one foot in front of the other, we all get discouraged. We all want results faster than they often come. And, I think that's just part of the journey, and really what we aim to set out to support at LYFEfuel is really supporting that healthy transformation. So excited to be connected. It was such a pleasure and joy to meet you at the show, and really look forward to continuing growing this relationship and really supporting the community that you're building.
Thank you. And thanks again, everybody. Click below, November 4th, 8:30 a.m. Pacific. We'll see you there for a really great opportunity to reduce those saboteurs. You can read about that more. And there's a link there for Chris LYFEfuel. You're going to love those bars. Take care, everybody.